For our ongoing class, we're working on I'll See You in My Dreams. We're going from a D to a D sharp diminished with a kind of a creative way of doing this. We're making a little D form, and then with our baby finger, to make that D sharp diminished, we're putting it into the 3rd fret C string. And you hear that? There's that gorgeous diminished. Not a common chord at all. But, it's relatively user-friendly. So 2 beats each, back and forth. 2, 3, 4, D, D sharp diminished, D, D sharp diminished. This is the way to work with these transitions to get them under our fingers.